train yard, Batman. Come to the train yard. Beneath those rusty tracks awaits an arena in which our minds will clash.
I administered the antidote, but it wasn't enough. I need to track him down and inject him again.
I think I saw a bomb in the road.
Identity confirmed.
Alfred, pull up the footage from the Batwing's onboard scanner.
Certainly, sir. As you can see, the Batwing has completed an orbital sweep of Founders Island, but there's still no sign of the cloudburst. I will, of course, let you know when the situation changes, but one moment, sir. I'm receiving an emergency broadcast from the movie studios.
Batman, I hope you can hear this. The movie studios are under attack. Robin is in trouble.
Listen to me very carefully. You need to lock down that room. We can't let the infected get out.
Of course. Tell me what...
Henry!
That's enough from you! Well, look who's too late to save the day. How's it going, Batbrain? It's been a while.
Harley Quinn.
So you do remember me. That's weird, because you killed the only thing I ever loved. And now I find you've been keeping a whole new generation of jokers to yourself. I know. Awkward.
Don't do it. They're not stable.
Oh, they're not stable? Maybe you want to take a look in the mirror sometime.
Alfred, I need to get to the movie studios.
Please be quick, sir. Miss Quinn is clearly volatile. Robin may be in serious danger.
Oh, I told you we should have butchered that bunch of second-rate tribute acts. They'd better not kill Robin Bats. I had the idea first. I'm sorry about Barbara Bruce. It's terrible. But look, just call the temp agency and I'm sure they'll send you another.
So,
What the? You scared to come down here?
You keep walking out.
open.
Voice print failure. Access denied.
Nice try, Bat Freak!
Harley's changed the voice code access. I can adapt the modulator I picked up from the Arkham Knight's driver to synthesize her voice.
Well, look who's too late to save the day. How's it going, Bat Brain? It's been a while. How's it going, Bat Brain? It's been a while. Well, look who's too late to save the day. How's it going, Bat Brain? It's been a while. Well, look who's too late to save the day. How's it going, Bat Brain? It's been a while. Well, look who's too late to save the day. How's it going, Bat Brain? It's been a while. Well, look who's too late. Voice calibration complete.
Now I can use the voice synthesizer to mimic Harley's voice and open the door.
Something must have happened. Maybe the radio's busted.
If I find out they're slacking off, I'm gonna have Big Al tear their puny limbs off one by one.
This ain't good. What the hell?
Someone took them all out.
Ugh, it was that stinking bat-faced loser. Get that chopper down here now. I want more men on the roof and sentry guns covering the entrance. Don't even think about coming back down here until he's dead. You hear me?
I need to secure the rooftop. I can use the voice synthesizer to manipulate Harley's men.
Oh, poor Harley. Wasting time on those not pale enough imitations when I'm right here in you.
Check that weapons
Confusing
crate.
me is how the hell she found your top secret bat base, Batface. She couldn't find her own reflection in the mirror when I was alive. It's like something was holding her back.
Looks okay to me.
He's out there somewhere.
Yeah, crapping himself. We're gonna get even for what he did to Joker.
You hear that, Bat? This is for the boss.
I ain't seen Harley so happy for months. 4 new Jokers. 3. Something's wrong. I found him. I see him up there.
Well, that didn't take long. Next one of you idiots to go down gets to be Big Al's new punch bag.
Talk to me, guys. Y'all okay?
Yeah, everything's rosy. What do you think? You think this is funny? He's out there waiting to pounce.
Keep it together. Let's not lose track of each other, okay?
Come on, guys. Harley will torture us if we don't find him. Yeah, and she really ain't got the hang of it yet.
Where did he go? Find him before he finds you!
guy? Is he dead? Where are you? I'm over here. Looks like the bat decided to stick around. Let's make him regret it. Yeah, he picked the wrong fight this time. He ain't getting up. Keep moving. Placing sentry gun. I don't like this one bit. You guys okay? It's looking like bat food is
I can't sabotage that until I upgrade the disruptor.
Sentry gun. Floyd, area's hot.
Listen, you dumbasses. Mr. J left me a list of ways to discipline you idiots for screwing up. I haven't read it yet because thinking of him hurts so bad. But I will!
Hear that? It came from over there.
He went this way.
We can't help him. He's out cold. Keep a lookout. Gonna take more than smoke to stop us. We can do this. For Harley. Yeah, for Harley and the Jokers.
Check that weapons crate!
On it.
Check that weapons crate!
No problem. Huh? Oh God, someone's down! Where are you at? This way! Hey, what happened to you? Not again. Keep it together. I'm scared. And that ain't helping our situation. What if we surrendered?
You can't. Not with him. Forget it. This guy's out cold. Let's move on.
I'm gonna go check on my friend. Poor schmuck.
Check that weapons crate!
No way. Not after what happened to the last guy. Not again. That freak thinks he's got us scared. Speak for yourself. Get a grip, man. We can't wake him up. We're gonna find the bat who took him out.
Kill him! This was supposed to be the happiest day of my life. 3 new Jokers! And you dumbasses are ruining it!
I can use the voice synthesizer to clear out the thugs guarding the elevator.
Clown killer!
Then come out and show yourself!
Check the generator!
Got it! Looks fine to me!
If I overuse the synthesizer, it could tell the enemy I'm here.
3 left? Ugh, looks like I'm running out of idiots! Check that weapons crate!
Sure thing.
Just show yourself!
I need this piece of crap firing! Oh crap, he's gone! He's using... Oh, you ain't hiding! I'll get you!
That's the thugs dealt with. Time to go after Harley.
Ah, memories. You, me, and a ward full of psychotic killers. You've never felt so at home, have you? Oh, come on. You think you're different because you never killed anyone? Newsflash! You killed me. I was there, remember? You destroyed my cure right in front of me. Watched me choke on my last laugh. And then, after killing me, you said you would have shared. You couldn't admit I'd won, could you? Not even as a parting gift. But now I'm on the inside. Ooh, we both know the truth. Yes, you've killed before. And tonight, I'll make you do it again.
Here he comes.
I need to pick a target before giving an order.
How much more can you take, old man?
Open!
Item.
You don't need to do this! You took your time.
You got overwhelmed.
Can't let Harley win! Fight back, come on!
Killing you is gonna be fun, man.
Get ready!
This guy's still awake.
Get off me! You think I'm scared of you, Robin? Get off! Ah! Harley'll come back for me! Ah! The infected. Where are they? They're not infected. They're Joker. Harley's got him, and they ain't leaving this place until you're a corpse. How did she find us? How did she get in?
I'd let him know if I were you. He's not always in such a good mood.
How should I know? I guess she's smarter than you think. Not likely.
Let's check the Bat computer.
Good idea.
I'm locking the whole building down. No one leaves until we account for the infected.
She just walked in. No alarm, no warning. Something's wrong with the voice recognition.
Maybe. There's no trace of a hack. If they're still here, then the facial recognition software will find them. Got them. Albert King's in the Wild West set. Looks like he's gearing up for a comeback bout. They took Christina Bell to the haunted house set. Harley's left armed guards to protect her. Charisma's on the soundstage. I can't tell what he's got planned.
All right, we know where they are. Now all we need to do is get them back. Should be easy, right?
Do you think she'll recognize me in this blank death mask you call a face? I mean, it does do expressions, right?
Henry, lock down this door. Only let Robin or myself back through.
How's it going, Bad Brain? Nice place you got here. I think my Joker would have liked it. Kind of place he would have picked. Do you know what it's like to wake up day after day and know you'll never see his beautiful face again? Would you? Let me tell you, it's been emotional. Of course now, well now I have 3 new Jokers. Each one perfect in their own right.
What did Harley do?
Nothing. I'm not done.
Yeah, you better run. No way you get past me.
Robin, you wait here while I get behind him. We'll take him down faster if we work together.
When do I join?
You'll know when you see it.
You sure took your time back there.
I was testing your self-control.
Did I pass?
You need...
Come on, lady. We need to get you someplace safe.
Are you kidding me? I'm getting front row seats!
Anything happens to her, Harley'll kill you.
Yeah, he's right. And if Batman sees how you've treated me, he's gonna knock out you and you. Well, maybe not you. Definitely you. And you. Oops. Well, that evens things up a little. Anyway, when he's done with you chumps, me and Bats will have this place all to ourselves. So get out there and make him show you how much he wants me.
You heard the lady. Let's go.
Jeez, she didn't need to kill him.
You been watching Scarecrow on the big screen? His
Dumbass
face
is done
went that
yet.
messed up back at the
He's all
asylum.
locked up, safe and sound.
That girl is very important. So I'm not gonna take any chances. Remember who's in charge in here. When I give you an order, you do it!
Of course.
Up high. Now. I say when you strike.
Got it. See that? She just shot Don.
Now, Robin.
Like it was funny.
Batman? Batman, is that you? These idiots want to break us apart.
This one's for you.
Explain all the painful things you're gonna do to them, but, well, I think they're masochists. Enjoy!
He's yours, Robin.
Now, boys, just because Batsy's gonna beat you into a sort of vaguely sentient state doesn't mean you shouldn't put up a fight. I want him all blood-stained when he rescues me. Your blood, I mean. It'll look great on the suit.
Whose side is she on?
Ho-ho! He's got one already! Eliminated in the very first episode of Batman Rescues Christina. You won't be spinning a book deal out of that performance. Look back, buddy. If I was running the show, the thugs would be so much terrified, 4 times as breakable. You know that, right? Tell me you do. Is that Robin? Is Robin here? Boys, kill that interfering little gooseberry.
He's making us look like idiots. Find him.
Robin. Robin. He doesn't love you. Leave us be or I'll cut off your limbs. Until you actually...
What are you standing around for? Get in there and help those idiots out!
You heard Harley. Find Batman and kill him.
Not a problem. You hit him? Bat freak, we're coming to get you.
Terrifying boss with hands-on... afraid to torture people management style. Too bad I'm team back, eh?
Check that weapons crate!
Harley chick. She broke in here. She's got potential, but she's a lackey at heart. I can tell. I bet she just flourished with someone
It won't
telling her
work.
who to kidnap,
They know the gun
who to
crates can be
torture, and
sabotaged.
when to shut up!
He's worse than the Joker. At least he wanted us to win. You guys okay? See anything?
Nothing!
Okay, keep looking. He's here somewhere.
Picking us off like a damn...
There goes another one! Oh, Bats. You try and act like you don't care, but then you to go and do a sweet thing like beating, choking, and torturing all these idiots just to rescue me. Oh, Bats, you're being cruel. You're scaring, you're hurting them. I love it.
Harley ain't gonna like that, I think.
He's up! Don't let him get away! He's gone!
When Batman strikes, we need to have it back. Time to find a high vantage point.
There he is! He ain't getting away again! He went this way!
That wall don't look right. Go take a look.
I'm on it. Just 'cause the gun don't fire don't mean I can't beat you to death.
Look, boys, I probably should have been more supportive. It was a great rescue, really. Except, you know, I didn't actually want to be rescued, and so you're headed to intensive care.
That's all of them. Time to go get Miss Bell.
Top marks anyone who manages to get away. It's all mine!
What's she got against me? I'm practically your prisoner, too.
Let's get her back in the cell.
So, looks like you've made a friend. You gonna replace me? 'Cause I could use a break. And Christina here seems like prime Robin material. She looks up to you. She wants to spend all her time with you. I doubt she'd mind the awkward silences. I'll take her back to the cells.
Henry, Robin's heading your way. Let him in when he gets there.
Of course. I take it this means you stopped one of those monsters.
Yes, but I'm not done yet.
This Robin seems like a real improvement on that last one, Bats. Remember Jason Todd? Oh, what a whiner! Always complaining. We're both better off without that loser.
So what do we have here? Poor little Batman all alone.
You want to hear this? You come see me. Ignore it. Freak. Just
Before activating an order, I need to pick a target.
I don't get it. What's Don't say it again. Just get the gate open.
He's interested in a
Okay, but
Don't you know
don't
this
seem
guy?
right.
He craves something more. Something
But,
intelligent.
I'll show him fun. 2 fists of fun. And then I'm going to see your charisma. I'm going to smash you so hard, you're going to be singing on the back of your head.
Yeah, tough guy. Well, first, you'll have to find me. Second, well, let's be honest, old timer. You're a little past your sell-by date.
Who do you think you're talking to, boy? You better...
Hello? Is someone there?
Jason, I thought you were dead.
Batman? Is that you?
Batman's not coming to save you, Jason.
He'll come.
It's been 6 months now, Jason. I think it's time to face facts.
Screw you!
That's the spirit. You're a real chip off the old bat block. Not that it'll do you any good.
Why won't you just kill me?
What? Oh, no. I'm not going to kill you. Not yet, anyway. You're my sidekick now. Imagine it. You and me, out on the streets, starting fights, picking on the weak. A regular dynamic duo. Just like Bats and that new kid of his.
No, he wouldn't.
You think? So, this isn't Batman, then? Oh, weird. The pointy ears are usually a dead giveaway. I didn't want to show you that photo. Really, I didn't. But, well, it was the only way for you to get closure. Now, I know it hurts, but sometimes you gotta be cruel to be kind.
This is it! The fight of the century! You ready to get schooled, Bats? What do you want to start? How about getting your asses kicked 101? Nothing to say? Strong silence hype, huh? Well, let's see if I can change that. I'm gonna make you both beg for mercy and cry out in pain.
Beggars to stop.
It's gonna...
Gonna cut you a new one.
Finish him!
This won't take long, boy, watch
It's all up. Give me your best shot. Nobody ever...
All yours.
Now you both make me mad. Get your ass up.
One bad guy coming up. Cut you.
Goliath don't lose to no one. You ain't done yet. Gonna bust you up first.
Oh, nice work. You really held your own just now. I'm impressed.
You can carry him. I can't leave here until King's subdued.
What did this guy eat? A car? Oh, oh, oh. Ah. Oh. Ah. I'll take this guy back to the cells.
Alfred, we're almost done here, and we need to make up for lost time. Prepare another upgrade for the car.
Absolutely, sir. Would you please make your choice? This... Marvelous. I'll be in touch as soon as it's ready.
So the big lump failed. Shocking! Can't say I'm surprised. Like that aging lump was ever gonna get the better of you. So are you ready, Bats? You ready to come see me? I've got such wonderful games for you to play.
There. Cheap tricks, Bat Freak. That's all you got?
I should wait until he's in position before detonate the explosive.
Come out and face me, Batman.
Stand closer to that gate.
Got it.
I should wait until he's in position before I detonate the explosive.
What do we have here, then? Wakey, wakey. What's wrong? You think I'm going to hurt you? Why? I'm not the bad one here. Oh, no, 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 no. It's Batman. He's abandoned you, thrown you away like an unwanted puppy. Can I have him, Daddy? Oh, please, 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 please. I'll take real good care of him. Anything to make you happy, Princess. Just make sure people know he's yours. We don't want him to end up back here, do we? No, we don't, Daddy. I want to keep him forever.
No, no, please, please, no, no!
Are you okay?
I'm fine. Let's get the next one.